Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Zaki Abdul Hakim. I am student Electrical Engineering at Polytechnic Negeri Padang. In this video, I will explain one of the most essential component in electronic, the transistor, specifically how it works as an electronic switch. What is a transistor? A transistor is a semiconductor device with three terminals: base, collector, and emitter. It can act as an amplifier or as a switch, depending on the circuit design. There are two common types of transistor. The first, bipolar junction transistor, or BJT, includes NPN and PNP. The second, field effect transistor, or FET, serves as MOSFET. We will focus on the NPN type BJT, which is commonly used in basic switching applications. Next, how does a transistor work as a switch? A transistor works as a switch using two main operating regions. The first, cutoff, when no current is applied to the base, the transistor does not conduct. This is like an open switch, no current flow from collector to emitter. The second, saturation or on state. The second, saturation or on state, when a small current flow into the base, it allows a larger current to flow from collector to emitter. The transistor is fully on, like a closed switch. So, a tiny current at the base can control a much larger current at the collector. That's why transistors are so useful in digital control. Next, basic switching circuit example. Let's look at a simple example of a transistor switch circuit. Suppose we want to turn an LED on and off. The LED and its resistor are placed between the collector and VCC. The emitter is connected to ground. A digital signal from a microcontroller is connected to the base through a base resistor. When we send a high signal to the base, the transistor turns on and the LED lights up. When we send a low signal, the transistor turns off and the LED turns off. This is how we control the device using simple digital signal. Next, why use a transistor as a switch? Transistors are excellent switches because they are fast in turning on and off, compact in size, efficient, a small current device control a larger current, easily controlled by microcontroller, logic gates, or digital ICs. This makes them ideal for controlling relay, motor, legs, and other components in smart system. Next, application of transistor as switch. Transistors are widely used in many real-world applications such as transistors are widely used in many real-world applications such as the first turning relay on or off in smart home system. The second driving DC motor in robot or machines. The third switching LED or buzzer in electronic circuit. PMW control for motor speed. Used in logic circuit, timers, and even inside computer processor. They are small, fast, and powerful, the building block of modern electronics. Next, circuit diagram or with visual explanation. Here is simple circuit diagram for an NPN transistor as with this VCC resistor, LED, collector, NPN transistor, emitter, grounding, base, control signal via resistor from Arduino. When the base reaches height, the transistor switch on current flow, LED lights up. When the base is low, transistor switching off, no current flow, LED turn off. This is how we switch load with low power control. Let me explain how this circuit works in more detail. The first, the load, or in this case, an LED with a current limiting resistor, is connected between the VCC supply and the collector of the transistor. The emitter is connected recently to ground. The base of the transistor is connected digital control signal through a resistor to limit the base current. Here what happens? The freeze when to the control signal to the base is low or null volt, there is two base current. The transistor stay in the shut off region, meaning is at open switch. As a result, the current flow from the collector to the emitter and the LED stay off. When the base reaches a high signal, a small current starts to flow in the base. This turns the transistor on, meaning it enters saturation mode. This is the transistor allow a larger current to flow from the collector to emitter. That current also passes through the LED and resistor, causing the LED to light up. This simple switch action controlled by digital signal makes transistor extremely from turning the phase on and off in a circuit. You can is simple to control other load to like relay, motor, solenoids, or buzzer. Next, conclusion and closing. In conclusion, transistors are very powerful and isolated components that can be used to with electronic device. With just a small base current, you can control high current at the collector sheet. This is why transistors are so important in digital system and automate. Thank you for watching this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.